Hello everyone. Today we will continue from the cars section and we will talk about contractors kinds and groups. And we can begin. The contractors directory provides comprehensive information about legal and individual entities with whom the company maintains business relations. We contractors parse this. Here users can enter and store key data about counterparties such as names, details, contact information, and other information necessary for interaction. The directory allows for the classification of contractors according to various criteria. In the system, contractors can represent different roles such as suppliers, customers, and company founders. Selecting contractors is required for various operations such as purchases, sales, cash, and bank transactions, among others. There are some steps to create a contractors directory. Firstly, we press the new button, new control button, and we enter the name of counterparty, we select a counterparty, fill other required fields, and finally we press the save control button. In the contractors directory includes the following tabs: main, CRM, turnover, bank details, contract, addresses, and note. Let's explain the main section. In the main section, first of all, we write the name of the contractor and then short name of the contractor. Class, it shows which class the contractors belongs to. Then expeditor, it shows who the expeditor is. A group, a general category for classifying counterparties, for example, indicating which holding the given counterparty belongs to. Then discount, it shows the amount of discount applied. Driver, it shows who the driver is. Branch, it shows which branch it belongs to. And finally, agreement, it shows the agreement, and we talked about in the price agreement part in the last videos. Then this part, code, unique contractor code assigned automatically. The user can also add it manually. Degree, first degree, second degree, third degree, we also talked about last videos about this. You can watch them in our YouTube channel. Then deposit, it shows the deposit amount. Kind, you can see customer, supplier, founder, others. VAT number, it shows the amount of VAT. Then payment term, the payment term is set in days for informational purposes. Organization, we can choose between an organization or a person. Currency, it shows which currency is used. And starting, it shows the start date. This is the main section. Now, CRM section. CRM, customer relationship management, in the company is designed for effective customer relationship management. It gathers and organizes client information, provides centralized access to essential data. CRM includes integration capabilities with other tools and applications to improve information exchange and optimize business processes. For example, it can integrate with SMS or email for timely notifications to clients. We can see position, mobile phone, email address, city, postcode, country, nationality, citizenship, birthday date, gender, and others. Then turnover section. The turnover section displays product purchases, product sale, cash inflow, cash outflow, sales return operations, currency, and total summary. We can see currency summary, sales return, payment, and others. Then bank details. Details such as bank name, account number, sort code, SWIFT, bank address are displayed in the bank details you can see. Then contract. In the contract section, details such as contractor, date, first date, last date, kind, currency are displayed in this section. Addresses. In the addresses section, information such as city, postcode, country, and phone is displayed. And finally, note section. We can write any note in this section we want. I think contractors parts are clear to you, and we can continue with contractor kinds and contractor groups. Contractor kinds. Types of contractors represent a classification of companies' partners according to their prime area of activity. This categorization helps to systemize the contractor database and effectively manage relationships with various businesses. Depending on the nature of business, contractors can be assigned to different types. For example, as shown in the sample, this could be a supermarket, restaurant, wholesale, or any other sector. You can create contractor types that suit your needs. This is so simple. And contractor groups. Here, the contractor kinds are grouped based on the areas where they are located. As you can see, the example shows they categorized by regions, maybe Midland, London, and North England, and other places. I think all the things are clear to you about contractors. We will explain other parts in our next videos. And see you